Hello everyone, welcome to Thoughtbot and Sort aka Teachers on this side. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all whatever that I've splurged from Nykaa. So recently I visited the Nykaa Lux store multiple times, and as a result I tried something which I liked and I bought a lot. So yeah, I bought a lot as you can see. So yeah, without any further ado and delay, let's get started. So I bought many things under the category of makeup. So I bought it from Charlotte Tilbury, I bought it from Estee Lauder and many more. So stay tuned till the end to watch the complete series. So let's get started. Okay. I bought a few things from Charlotte Tilbury, and I bought some top famous recommended products by some famous YouTubers. I tried it myself also, and as a result I bought some products from Charlotte Tilbury. The first product is this infamous Hollywood Flawless Filter, and this is an amazing product. I am in the shade 2.5 fair slash pale tone, and whatever that I will try, I will surely update the video on through my shorts. So yeah, and the packaging of Charlotte Tilbury, oh my god, is such bougie that you feel tempted to buy. And not only the packaging, the product quality is also top notch. It comes under the luxury brand, so even if you apply it underneath your foundation or you apply bare face, the results are amazing. So once I try, I'll surely share the review with you guys. So the next product that I bought from Charlotte is the Unreal Blush Healthy Glow Stick. I bought it in the shade, I think, Peachy Glow. Yeah, Peachy Glow, and this is a stick blush. So I wanted a blush that is something that is to be used for everyday wear blush. So I just bought this Unreal Healthy Glow Stick. This is how the shade looks. So in a peachy tone. This is how the blush looks on the skin. Yeah, once I'll try, I'll surely share the review of the same in my YouTube channel soon through my shorts. So guys, I am a super dry skin type girly, and for me choosing the right compact was a thing. And I've tried the compact powders from a lot of different brands, but it dried me out and made my face look very cakey. But then this product by Charlotte Tilbury, the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, you guys, this is something which was so minuscule. When I had put it on my face, it did not dry my face, and it did not dry the level of moisture in my skin, and because of the same reason I splurge around this, and it is loved by makeup artists all around the world. So yeah, so I thought, why not spoil myself. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks, and oh my god, goodness, this looks amazing. This is such a beautiful product, a beauty in itself. But then the kind of makeup endeavor it provides is also amazing. This is my shade, and yeah, the minuscule detail that it provides and makes the skin flawless is something that is commendable. The one thing about this product which I did not like is it did not come with a makeup puff or something. So it makes it not handy when you actually finish off the makeup, or you actually are out and you want to do a touch up, you don't have a brush that time. So yeah, this is one of the thing that Charlotte should work upon. And yeah, this is this. So I took three products from Charlotte, that is the Flawless Filter, the Airbrush Compact, and the Peachy Glow Blush. And as a result, they gave me this mini product which is loved by all, and I completely agree why this product is so hyped. I mean, it makes the skin dewy, and it makes the base very presentable, and it doesn't dry out the dry skin type of girl. So yeah, I love this product, I am a fan. So yeah, so I wanted to purchase the bigger bottle, but then once I received as a sample, so it will work for me, so I did not get a bigger full size bottle. Yeah, so this is what I've splurged from Charlotte Tilbury. There were some products from Estee Lauder that I bought. So yeah, that also I bought it under a great discount. So I'll discuss the same with you in the coming part of the video. So next up, I have a line of products from Estee Lauder. I have been raving about these two brands a lot from a long time, and yeah, recently I got a chance to try and I bought it for myself. So let us see what three products that I love from Estee Lauder. So the first is this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, which is a product which everyone raves about, everyone loves, and it is one of the top selling luxury foundations, besides brands like MAC, Bobbi Brown, Armani, Dior, etc. So yeah, this is a double wear foundation, and it quite sits well on my skin, and it matches my true skin tone. So I am in the shade 2N1 Desert Beige, and once I'll try it, I will surely share the review with you guys soon. So yeah, it is a double wear foundation. It has a good coverage. It doesn't it calls itself as a double wear foundation, but it doesn't cakes up. That's the best part about the product. The next product is under the category of the face makeup only. This is the famous uh, Estee Lauder's concealer, and I am in the shade 3W Futurist Soft Touch Brightening Skin Concealer, as it says. And this is how the product looks. And this is its doe four applicator, which is quite thick, and once I try, I'll share the review soon. So yeah, this video is a haul video. I'll surely share my product review soon once I try them. So yeah, the deal of the day was, I was at the store and there was an offer running on, and they said that if you buy two products from Estee Lauder, the other would be free. So I thought, why not splurge around? And yeah, I tried another product, that is Estee Lauder's Compact. So this is the blush from Charlotte Tilbury, Estee Lauder actually. I'm so forgetful that I end up forgetting names like anything, and this needs to be certainly improved with the best of the packaging from Estee Lauder. And I am in the shade, is it not mentioned here or what? Pure Color NB. Okay, yeah, right. I'm in the shade PCNV Sculpting Blush. 222 Pink Kiss is the shade, and this is my shade. It comes with an applicator, which of course is of no use because blush brushes are quite dense. And yeah, so this is the shade. Of course, I'll surely share the review soon, and I will also share the review of top three blushes which are luxury, which are worth the hype, and that sits well on fair skin. Yeah, of course, I'll share the review soon. Yeah, so that was all from Estee Lauder. I believe that a good primer is of utmost importance, or a primer come foundation is important before starting a makeup to last long, or to give it a very dewy finish. So yeah, I was having a look at different types of moisturizers. So the a person in the department said me that Bobbi Brown is something that I could go for because I have a dry skin, and that would work as a moisturizer come a primer, so I don't have to apply two products while I do my face makeup. And yeah, the situation is not too much layering. So yeah, I have tried the two products. One product is the Magic Cream by Charlotte Tilbury, which I absolutely freaking love, and this another product that I end up loving because it's quite lighter in the consistency. So I tried the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base, and yeah, it's all in one. It's a primer, moisturizer, so which is the reason why I bought this and invested in this product. And this is how this vitamin base looks like. So even you can wear it as a moisturizer when you're not applying makeup. You're good to go. It works as moisturizer also. But then even with the makeup layered upon, it actually works wonder. Once I will have it under multiple usages in different situations, I'll surely share the review soon. So I actually spoiled myself a lot and just bought the Too Faced blush, and this is the third blush under the luxury category that I bought, and it says Too Faced Cloud Crush 93% nature's natural origin, and it calls itself as a blurring blush, and the finish is matte. Yeah, so it's a powder blush. So this is how it looks like, and I'm so in love with this. I mean, it looks so good. And yeah, this is a peachy shade that I bought. I'm lately a fan of peach tone blushes. Once of course I will use it, I'll just share the review soon, and I've already tried it on the store, and of course I will give you a review for you guys soon. So yeah, this is the Too Faced product that I bought, which I actually tried the concealer also, but it was against my liking, as one of they have two concealers, one illuminating, that was still good, but then the other concealer that I tried was too much cakey on my skin. So Estee Lauder was the best option in concealer that I might have got. And of course I splurge a lot from Nykaa, and after a certain category, they give you a full size product. So yeah, I was given a gift by them, that is a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and yeah, I'm okay about this gift, as I'm not an eyeshadow person, I don't apply it, so of course I'll give to someone. And the shades are quite off against my likings. So yeah, this is the shade range that it offers. I'm not a fan of all these shades, mostly are shimmer shades, so I'm not a fan. It's quite sturdy, the packaging is quite sturdy, and Makeup Revolution is known for making good eyeshadows for a long time, but then the color palette is against my liking. So yeah, this was everything that I bought under makeup. I bought some products under skincare also, and this one product that was going viral on the internet and I also wanted to try is their Beauty of Joseon's red bean refreshing pore mask. So yeah, of course I bought it out of getting it a try, because of course skincare products cannot be tried on the store, especially masks. So this is the product, and it's a red bean mask. It's an exfoliating mask, it's a pore mask, and of course it comes under this packaging. Of course I will share the review once I try it. And the other mask that I bought, I've been using that mask, I don't know for how long it has been, I mean years since I've been using, and I've just emptied bottles after bottles, and this is the Innisfree Super Volcanic pore mask. This is the OG mask that I've been using for a long time. It clears out the skin at once, and I believe that no skincare is just only the amalgamation of a single product, like you only use mask and you think that the skin gets clarified. No, it's about the good food, the good diet, the moisturizers you apply, the skincare you do, etc, etc. But this hands down is one of the best calming and numbing experiences in mask that I have. Of course I'll share the review soon. And the next and the last product under the category of everything that I bought from Nykaa Luxe is the rice and ceramide moisturizing emulsion. This again is a kind of moisturizer which is a very lightweight moisturizer. The consistency is so thin, it's just so milky. I mean I have been using this from years, and this certainly is something that is quite moisturizing on the face, and I love using this product on my elbow, my cuticles, my face. Yeah, so that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and for more such videos follow Thoughtbot in Short, aka Teacher on the Side.